You may have seen some of these photorealistic AI personas like Ayatana Lopez, Lil Mela, and Immigram making waves and serious money online. Well, in this video, I'll show you how you can generate a similar AI identity from zero to launch in just a few hours. By the end, you'll have the precise blueprint to build an AI influencer persona, craft captivating content, and monetize them to earn at least $10,000 per month consistently. This is very doable thanks to cutting-edge AI image generation platforms that have made the process far easier, faster, and cheaper than ever before. So whether you want to create artificial online identities for fun or profit, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose image generation platform. The first step is selecting an AI image creator platform to visually generate and customize the look of your AI influencer. Rather than complex paid options, we'll use a free web app called Focus. It's an intuitive yet powerful image generator similar to Dall-E or Midjourney, blending AI technologies like Stable Diffusion. Once you navigate to the Focus web platform, you can log in using your Google credentials, which allows quick and easy access. Give it a brief moment to initialize the application. You may get a warning pop-up that you can bypass by clicking through to fully load the tool. And that's it. You are now inside the Focus image generator, ready to begin creating your AI influencer. Step 2. Customize image settings. In the Focus interface, let's begin by tweaking some optimal settings for crafting our influencer persona. Navigate to the Settings tab and under Quality, choose Quality to prioritize details and resolution. Then for Aspect Ratio, select 1:1 format ideal for Instagram. Next, we have section to add negative prompts. This allows you to define anything you want, excluded from the generated images. As we create versions of our persona, we can add constraints here. There are also handy style filters we can apply as a starting point like gaming, anime, steampunk, cyberpunk, and more. Feel free to test out a few of the aesthetic presets. Cool, right? Step 3. Craft an impactful prompt. Now is the fun part. Bringing our AI influencer to life by crafting a detailed text prompt for Focus process into image magic. I suggesting referencing prompts from existing AI images that you like from platforms like Leonardo, Tensor, Civitai, CArt, then customize it by inserting the attributes you want your persona to have. A good starting template could be a photo of a striking, kind-looking Latina woman with warm tan skin, wavy caramel hair, almond brown eyes, rosy cheeks, colorful eyeshadow, glossy pink lips, and radiant skin in golden hour lighting. Feel free to tweak from there. Have fun with it. Just keep prompts positive using visual descriptors. Let's see what awe-inspiring identity Focus cooks up for us. Step 4. Bring your AI persona to life. All right, now we're ready to render our first AI identity iteration using the detailed prompt we crafted. Simply click the Submit Request button and watch the magic happen. In the right pane, you'll see Focus actively composing and iterating our image prompt. Check out the wild imagery it formulates in real time. Kind of creepy, but cool, right? This training process allows the AI to learn so results improve over time. And boom! In just seconds, we have several gorgeous candidates for our AI influencer, complete with vivid facial features and textures like skin tone, makeup style, hair color, and more based entirely on our textual description. Let's review the results and pick our favorite to further refine. I'm partial to the 3rd and 5th identities. Loving the luxe hair and eye colors. What do you think? Step 5. Enhance favorites and fix imperfections. Now that we've selected our 1 to 2 favorite base options, let's enhance them using some of Focus's editing tools plus external software. If needed, we can have Focus generate additional versions with slight visual tweaks via the Variations tab, useful for outfit changes, makeup looks, etc. I'm going to adjust my favorite to be less blurry and appear against a new tropical beach backdrop using Focus's image prompt feature, uploading an image for context. We can also fix small facial imperfects using the In-Paint tool, simply highlighting any glitches. I noticed a tiny scar on my persona's cheek that is easily patched over by sampling nearby skin. Smooth! And for major improvements, my go-to platform is Leonardo's Canvas Editor. Just feed it your AI image. Select fixed areas by brushing over them while entering edit prompts. It's worked wonders for opening closed eyes in my portraits using an eyes open prompt. Step 6. Expand image collection and content. Boom! Boom! At this point, you should have an appealing, authentic-looking AI influencer ready to start enthralling audiences. My last piece of advice is to bulk generate additional complementary images showcasing your persona in various poses, looks, and contexts for posting online. You can pre-create content around holidays, events, product promotions, etc. Then, use a social media scheduling tool to queue up and auto-post everything over time, hands-free. Do this for, say, 200 high-quality pics, and you'll have a year's worth of riveting content ready to blast out to captivated followers consistently, which is key to going viral fast. Step 7. Launch social accounts and monetize. We're in the home stretch now, friends. We have a camera-ready AI entity and limitless engaging content to fuel its popularity across social media. Time to let the world meet your magnificent creation. I'd start by making accounts on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube centered around your AI influencer. Profile pics, banner imagery, bios, and posts should further reinforce its life story and personality. Early traction is critical, so run some quick social ad campaigns pointing folks to your accounts. It doesn't take much budget, even $20 to $50 targeting interested users to ignite the initial growth kindling. From there, your goal is converting clicks into enraptured followers, so post relentlessly across channels daily, if not multiple times per day. Let the algorithm pick up momentum and expand your reach exponentially. 100,000 engaged followers opens the financial floodgates through avenues like sponsorships, affiliate marketing, digital products, and virtual gifts. But it takes strategic consistency. For instance, an easy way to monetize now is adding your PayPal or Amazon wish list in bios, making it seamless for fans to support their beloved AI idol. You can be earning in days. So crafting an AI-generated influencer persona to earn $10,000 monthly is now simple using free image creator Focus. Just design your avatar's look with text prompts, enhance visually, bulk generate captivating content, launch social accounts, and monetize a fabricated fan base through gifts, affiliates, and sponsors. I know that was a ton of helpful info, so no need to memorize every detail. Just bookmark this tutorial and return periodically as you build out your AI money machine step by step. So that concludes my complete walkthrough on manifesting an insanely lucrative viral AI influencer from scratch using no-code free creation tools. Drop any questions and comments, and please smash the like button and subscribe to Money Flux if you found this valuable. Now I'd love to hear from you in the comments section. What was your biggest takeaway from this video?